for the borderland, but still we are lacking for that. So that's why, you know, like this kind of gathering is very much important. See, gathering here, we got a new knowledges. We got a chance to exchange our cultures. And we believe one day or the other, we are going to organize a wonderful meeting again in our GaroHills.
Sister, can I ask you the name of all these dishes? This one? What do you call this in Garo? He wak. He wak. He wak kachi. Okay, this one is the cucumber.
They are the middlemen. They are purchasing the product from the farmers or from the manufacturers with the
दाउला गिसिबबाय बेलासेनि सम जानानै दङ मंगोलियन जों बयबो खोनाबाय थायो मंगोलियन फोलेरनि होननानै नर्थ ईस्ट इन्डियायावहाय जेरै नागा खासि बर' गार' मेइतेइस मिजु आरो गोबां बेबायदिनो ट्राइबेल्सफोरखौ लानानै मंगोलियन हिसाबै जोंनि नर्थ ईस्टआवहाय नुनो मोनो एन्ड लादाख सिक्किम बेफोरावबो गोबां मंगोलियन जोंनि मंगोलियन रेसनि गोबां सुबुंफोरा जिउ खुंगासिनो दङ दा सोरबा बायदिना जोबोद मोजां थासारि बा आलादा रायजो दङ बिथांमोना गावनि एथनिक आइडेन्टिटिखौ जोबोद मोजाङै फोथांना लाखिगासिनो दङ नाथाय आसामखौ स्पेशली जों दिनैनि गेजेरावहाय नोजोर होयोब्ला जोङो एसे सेरखाय बेरखाय जानानै दङ दा बेबायदिनो गुबुन गुबुन स्टेट्सफोरावबो माखासे ट्राइबफोरा बेबायदिनो आलाय सिलायबो जानानै दङ नैबे सोमोन्दै जों दिनै नैबे भिडिअ'हाय फंनैसो सावरायगोन आरो बेनि सोमोन्दै जोङो नैबे भिडिअ'हाय एसे रायलायगोन बाखि नोंथांमोना नुगासिनो दङ सनम वांचुक क'क्राझ पार्टी अर्गेनाइज खालामनाय बा नीट पेपार एग्जामनि नीट पेपार लिक जानायनि सोमोन्दैहाय धर्मेन्द्र प्रधानखौ रेजिगनेशन होनांगौनि दाबिजों गोख्रों हांगार स्ट्राइक लानाय जादोंमोन बेखौबो जों सावरायगोन एसे नैबे भिडिअ'नि गेजेरजों बेनि सिगां मैयाहाय जोङो थांदोंमोन क'क्राझारनिफ्राय दिल्लीसिम थांनो थाखाय अलमस्ट थियारि जाबायमोन कमप्लिट प्रसेस जोङो ओंखारजोबनानै गानफब जोमफब दिल्ली फारसेथिं दावबायहैनो थाखाय रेडि जाबाय आनफर्चुनेट माखासे जाथाय जादों आं बेखौ नोंथांमोननो बे भिडिअ खोन्थागोन एन्ड मैया जोङो टुरायाव मोनसे प्रग्रामाव एटेन्ड खालामना फैबाय बेवहाय मा मा जाखो बेखौ नोंथांमोननो नैबे भिडिअ आङो बुंनो थांगासिनो दङ बा फोरमायगोन स' आं नोंथांखौ आसा खालामो नोंथांमोना भिडिअ जोबजासिम थागोन साननैसो गेप जादों भिडिअ बानायनो आङो बिराद मोजां टाइम होनो हायाखै बेनि थाखाय निमाहा बिनाय थाबाय बाट जा भिडिअ लाबोगोन इनफरमेटिभ लाबोगोन आरो गेजेर गेजेर बेबायदिनो गेपबो थानो हागौ माने शिडिउला ओरैबायदि टाइट जानानै दङ जियानो हक स्ट्रेटअवे नोंथांमोननो बे टपिकनि सायाव सावरायनो थांगासिनो दं बेनि सिगां आङो कापसे साहा लोंना फैग्रोनि मुडखौ फ्रेश खालामनि न'आ कमप्लिटलि साइलेन्ट दिनै अपेन एनभायरनमेन्टआवहाय भिडिअ खालामनायनि माने एक्साइटमेन्टआनो बेलेग आलादा जायो माने बेकग्राउन्ड नयस फैया डिस्टार्बेन्स फैया so let's go let's have a cup of tea and then we'll go through those main topics okay आङो फैबाय कार सिङाव आंनि गोबोराय गारि गेसावावहाय सा कापसे लोंना फैनि बेनिफ्रायहाय नोंथांमोननो नैबे मंगोलइड आरो मंगोलियन बेनि सायावहाय मा दङ एक्चुअली बेखौ एसे सावरायनि आरो मानि थाखाय बे इम्पोर्टेन्ट बेखौबो सावरायगोन बेनिफ्राय मैया मा इन्सिडेन्ट जाया बेखौ नोंथांमोननो फोरमायनो थांगासिनो दङ नैबे लामा ओरै हाजो नाहरदो बेसे समायना हाजो दिनै अखाया एसे खम हादों दैयाबो जिरि जिरि बोहैगासिनो नै न' सेरजोंनो गायनाय फुनाय आबादारिफोराहाय खेथियकफोरा ग्रोम ग्रोम माइ गायगासिनो दङ नै दुब्लियावहाय स' न'निफ्राय ओंखारनानै नैबे 127E नेशनेल हाइवे जाहैबाय नेशनेल हाइवेनि कन्डिशनखौ नायदो रायजोफोर गुगल मेपाव सार्च खालामबा नेशनेल हाइवे नुगोन बियो जेरावनाखि आंनि नैबे फिसा खथेब गारियानो खुनु रोखोमसो खारजायो आरोखि ना नैबे बेयाव मोननै दुवेल गारि जुदि खारनांगौबा बे पसिबिलिटियानो नङा स' गभर्नमेन्ट अफ इन्डिया प्लिज लुक इनटु दिस जोंना जायगाया बारा गाज्रिद्रायबो नङा एभारग्रीन माने गोथां जेरैबो गोथां नुनो मोनगोन नैबे फरेस्ट बिट अफिस मोन गोदो बेहाय दंमोन नै हनुमान मन्दिर मोनसे फिसा दङ बेहाय मोननोसै उत्तर कुशी मानास चौकी इकोटुरिज्म साइट मोननोसै बेनि गेट खाथियाव मोनसे दखान दङ साहा दखान बेहायनो आङो साहा कापसे लोंनानै नोंथांमोननो टपिकखौ थाबैनो खोन्थानो थांगासिनो दं स' स्टे टिउन दिनै एसे एक्सप्लर खालामबाय लकेलिटिखौ नैबे उत्तर कुशी मार्केट मोननोसै बेबो हाजो खाथिथारना एकदम हाजोजों नांजाबजोबनाय गासिबो हाजो एटाच उत्तर कुशी सक मोनबाय आं नै दानिया जोङो गुबै टपिकखौ सावरायनोसै मानगोनां जोंनि आफादगिरि नोंथांमोना मिथिखायो ब्रिटेन इस्लारि सार बिथाङा बेहाय आलासि महरैहाय लिंहरजादोंमोन मंगोलियान फराम अफ नर्थ इस्ट इन्डिया नैबे अर्गेनाइजेसना मन्डी नुरामन्डी हेरिटेज हम थुरा बेवहाय मोनसे ग्रीन एनभाइरनमेन्टआव अपेन फिल्डआव जा मोजां माने बे प्रग्रामखौ हस्ट खालामदोंमोन ओनसोलनिनो जोंनि गार' बिथांमोना जोबोद मोजां प्रेजेन्टेसनबो होदों इक'नमिक ग्रथनि फारसे लोगोसेनो इउनिफिकेशननि बाथ्रा बुंदों डाइभारसिटिसनि बाथ्रा बुंदों इउनिटिनि बाथ्रा बुंदों बा जों एज अ मंगलयद फोलेरनि हिसाबै बिथांमोना बेखौ कालेक्टिभलि जों बोरै जोंनि अभाब अभिजुगफोरखौ सुस्रांनो हागोन बेनि उफाय राहाफोरखौहाय बेवहाय मैखोमै सावरायनाय जादों फैबाय थानाय समाव जोङो गाव गावनि अर्गेनाइजेसनफोरजोंहाय बिसोरखौ लाफानानै बा ज'है जोङो बोरै आवगायलांनो हायो बेनि मोनसे कालेक्टिभ डिसिसन बेहाय बोरै लागोन बेखौ सावरायनाय जादों बेनिफ्राय दाब दाब जायगायावहाय जोंनि ट्राइबेल्स माहारिफोरा गोसारनानै दङ नैबेफोरखौ गुवारै सावरायदों जोंनि फ्रायानो फ्राय जोंनि जानाय थानाय गाननाय जोमनाय गावबा गावनि मोनसे आइडेन्टिटि सिनायथि जोंहा बयबो दंखायो जिहेतु राव हारिमु गासिबो बिथिङावहाय एज अ ट्राइबेल जोंहा मोनसे इउनिक आइडेन्टिफिकेसन जोंहा अलरेडि दङ नाथाय किसुमाना दिनै लेन्ड मोननानै दङ किसुमाना मोनाखै बा मोनथावगोन ना मोनथावा माबे राहाजों थांगोन नैबेफोरनि सोमोन्दै गोथौयै सावरायनाय जादों आं डिटेललि नोंथांमोननो नैबे भिडिअनि गेजेरजों फोरमायनो हानाय नङा थेवब्लाबो फैबाय थानाय समफोराव नोंथांमोना नुलांबाय थागोन बेवहायनो जोंनि मानगोनां आफादगिरि बिथाङा जोबोद मोजाङै प्रग्रामावहाय मेसेज खौरां हरदों बेखौ नोंथांमोना भिडिअ देखायनो थांगासिनो दं बाखि ओरैबायदि जाबाय दिल्ली थांनाय प्रग्रामा नैबे थुरानि थाखाय केन्सेल जानाय नङा माने एक्सुवेलि हरखाबै जादों जोङो डिसिसन लास्लाबनो हायाखै स' बेवहाय जोंहाबो आफसोस दङ बेनिफ्राय जोङो जाखिनि एक्सपेक्ट खालामदोंमोन बे हिसाबै जायासै बेनि थाखाय माबा मोनसे टेकनिकेल प्रब्लेमनि थाखाय जोङो दिल्लीयावहाय थांनो हायासै स्टेशननिफ्रायनो रिटार्न जानांबाय बेनिफ्राय जोङो स्ट्रेटअवे सम नस्थ' खालामालासै सिदायैनो थुरानि प्रग्रामखौ मिस खालामासै जों बेहाय थांबाय
But still we are looking for that. So that's why, like this kind of gathering is very much important. See, gathering here, we got a new knowledges. We got a chance to exchange our cultures. And we believe one day or the other, we are going to organize a wonderful meeting again in our GaroHills. This is the kind of, I have given a word to you all that one day you must be coming to to GaroHills to visit our place so that we can exchange our culture. Sure, definitely with the Bodolak Students Union will stand always with the Mongolian Forum of Northeast India and along with the other organizations. We try to build up the relationship that we have, and definitely we will fight together. See, as we have experienced in Assam, they have a problem with our food habits. They have a problem with our looks, with our size. So if they have so much problem with the tribal people, so when we ask something from the government of India, why should they stop us? So they should not stop us. They don't have rights to stop us because we are asking our rights. And I should say, even in the government, you must be asking for your rights. I think so. So I think you should deserve to get it. Every indigenous people, and we have a special right has been given from the Constitution of India. We the scheduled tribes, plain or hills, we are being protected. We are being protected. And we should be very clear regarding the constitutions of India that which has been given to our scheduled tribes. But sometimes, like the people, those who are not belong to the Mongolian race, they definitely, they try to suppress us with different things, with different ideas, especially knowledge. See, knowledge is and education. Education is the backbone of the society. If you don't have a good education, the society will not, flourish. So that's why we should have a very good education in every society. So we should focus as a tribal youths and as an organizations of an indigenous group. We should go in each and every corner of this world, and we should try to give an awareness program regarding our tribal balance law, regarding our ST, regarding our atrocities age that we have. So most of the people, our tribal people, they don't know what is an atrocities act all about. I mean, atrocity act is what? Actually, special constitution and a special right has been given to us. See, the non-tribal people, like I say, they don't have right to beat us up. They cannot scold us simply without any reason. He might be an officer, he might be an SP, he might be a DP, or he might be a kind of officers. So if we are not guilty, they cannot just simply put their hand on us. So we can file a case in atrocity age. So we should be very clear on this. See, we are the leaders of the organization. So it's our duty to teach, to give them knowledge in the villages, in the village area. See, most of the time in our place, the politicians are playing their own role. For their benefits, they will do everything. But it's our responsibility to protect them. If you don't say against, they will not get an option to say. See, especially what happened in GaroHills. The politicians are giving our protected land even to the people, those who are not belong to the tribal area. That is a kind of vote bank. So we should protect that land for our rights. They don't deserve to stay in a protected land. So it's our duty to be unitedly stand. So we should stand unitedly and we should raise our voice. So last time what happened, I want to share the experience this month only. Just before the assembly election, assembly session. The logo, in that logo, 3 languages, they have put up our logo in 3 languages in the Assam assembly, the logo. See? The language were Assamese language, English, and Bodo. And just before they start the assembly, they plan to remove the Bodo language from the logo. They plan to remove. And then we came to know that they are going to remove the Bodo language from that logo. So the next day, very morning, we stood up and we fought for that. We fought for that. We told them openly in the social media that if you're going to remove our Bodo languages, which is recognized as each schedule, and which is recognized as an official language of Assam, we are not going to speak Assamese in any area in Bodoland. We are going to speak other languages, but we are not going to speak Assamese. And what we do is that we blacken the signboard and the notice board which has been placed in the market area and in the office. Immediately the message has reached to see, and they have a talk, and they discussed it. The next day, in a press conference, they declared that they are not going to replace it, but they are going to place it, they are going to keep the Bodo languages there, and they are going to add a Hindi there. So that is our achievement. So this is how it happens sometimes. So remember the colonization, what happened with the African and the American. The colonizers, they identify the parts. Step by step, step by step, step by step, they are going to conquer and they try to capture it. So we the indigenous people, with the tribal people, we should be very clear and we should have, we should have clear knowledge about it. We should be very aware of it. Even in the case of getting married with the non-tribal people, we have been experienced that one. And even in Meghalaya, I think so it's happening. See, the non-tribal people, they come for a short period. They get married with the tribal people, they do business there, and after they get, or they earn a good enough, they go back home, leaving you behind. And even sometimes what happens is that the non-tribal people, they get married with the tribal people, with the tribal girl, they get a child, they are trying to convert the land in the son's name. Because in our tribe or in our community, we give father titles to our children. So this is what's happening. And so that's why from Bodo National Students Union, we request to stand up together to fight for all this. And once again, I would like to thank each and everyone, those who are present here. I think we're getting late, we need to move back again. It's another 4 to 5 hours, so we have to go back. So one day again, we will meet up together, we have a good conversation, we'll share our knowledge, we'll share our cultures, and lastly again, long live the Mongolian Forum of Northeast India, long live Bonsu, and thank you so much.